What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. It's been a while. What have you guys been up to? I personally have just been trading this market since my last post here, since I felt like it was still bullish on Bitcoin, which I was still bullish on the entire market. That has been almost a month now. If you guys have not seen my last post, do take a look into my last post. I guess I was right about Bitcoin was still being bullish, but now we do have another problem. We do have Bitcoin having reached above 65K, bounced all the way, pulled back all the way back down to below 60K now, okay? And now we have bounced again, and we are currently at about almost 62K. So where is the market right now? We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the altcoins. And on this post, I'll be talking about Axie Infinity and see where the price could be going for that altcoin. Of course, if you guys have not yet already, please do subscribe, like this video. I would truly appreciate that. And please do read my full disclaimer below, because this is not a financial advice video. I am not a financial advisor. All of these are my opinions and my opinions only. Do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. It is extremely risky and volatile in this market. So I am only giving you my speculations, opinions. Do your own due diligence. Read my full disclaimer below. Now, if you guys do want to support me and my channel, I do have affiliate links in the video description section below, including to Webull. They are still giving away free stocks if you sign up with them, and I should also get a referral bonus as well if you guys do sign up with my affiliate link. That's just one of the affiliate links below, so check them out. Now let's go right ahead and see where exactly is the market, okay? Now, Bitcoin has reached about, what was it, about almost 67K here before getting a rejection, and price action did come down to about 56K as of yesterday. Now, there are two ways I can look at this price pattern right now, what Bitcoin is doing, and we're on the daily time frame here. On this daily time frame, I do see a possible head and shoulders pattern. That's right here, right? Got the shoulder, head, shoulder. However, it could also still fit into a falling wedge pattern. So two kind of contradicting patterns, if you will. Because head and shoulders pattern is a generally bearish pattern. However, a falling wedge pattern is generally a bullish pattern, right? So let's see which one would it actually play out. Now, depending on how this actually plays out, I would have, what Bitcoin does affect my opinion on the altcoins significantly. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that even though I don't have any Bitcoin right now at this moment, sometimes I do. If I see a good trading setup, I will get into Bitcoin. But regardless, it's going to affect most of the altcoin markets. So if Bitcoin dumps, I can only imagine what the altcoins can do, right? Most of them are going to dump, right? I do have quite a bit of the altcoins. So in my opinion right now, I am still bullish on the market. And if you guys have been following me, you guys would know why. So on the monthly time frame here, we're going to take a look on the monthly time frame. And I've been talking about this since last time and since couple weeks ago, right? And even since quite a while back. So on the monthly time frame on the RSI here, so on the monthly RSI is basically what I'm looking at almost with a great degree, because for almost every bull cycle, we've had two waves on the monthly RSI here, right? Since 2013, 2017, and now it looks like we could be going up for another wave here, the second wave on the monthly RSI, the second big wave, right? So if this plays out like it has before, then yes, I am still bullish, and I am bullish right now on the market. But of course, anything could change. and this may not necessarily have to happen like it did before. So I'll be continuously watching for cues to possibly get in or get out, right? Now, so this is what I'm looking at. So at the moment, I am still bullish on the market, cautiously bullish. Let's take a look into the lower time frame RSIs here, right? The weekly time frame, or even the weekly time frame price action chart. Now, on the weekly time frame here, I can see more clearly that this is a cup and handle pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern on this weekly time frame. So this is kind of confirming my bullish opinion on the market so far. Now, if you go down to the daily time frame here, as we have already been here, right? I'm looking for, let's see which of these patterns actually play out. Would it be the head and shoulders pattern, or would it be the falling wedge pattern? Now, the head and shoulders pattern, if that actually plays out, that would actually take us to about, if we have the neckline to be about 60K there, 59K, then the price action would take Bitcoin all the way back down to about 51K. However, if the price action actually breaks out of this falling wedge pattern, that will look a lot better for the altcoins. If it actually breaks out of this falling wedge pattern here, depending on when it breaks out, let's just say if it breaks out at the end of my trend line here, then price action would get back up to about 66K here, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Let's take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance here, we are also seeing a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, right? So if Bitcoin dominance actually goes down, that is more bullish for me on the altcoins, just because of a math function here, right? If Bitcoin dominance goes down, that means either Bitcoin is actually losing market value, or altcoins are actually gaining market value relative to to Bitcoin, right? So this is another thing I'm looking at, right? And I do see a falling wedge pattern here, but some things important to note was that Bitcoin dominance has been going up pretty significantly for I think a past week, all the way up to about 48% there. But for getting a rejection, which is looking pretty good, Bitcoin dominance is now below the daily 21, which is the blue line here, and the daily 200. So that's looking good. If Bitcoin dominance continues going down here, then I will continue to be bullish on the altcoins. But that, of course, is given that Bitcoin does not dump. Now let's go ahead and jump into AXS, Axie Infinity, and see what is going on in this market. Of course, like I said, all the altcoins, in my opinion here, or most of the altcoins here, in my opinion, is going to be dependent on Bitcoin. So that's why I will always talk about Bitcoin first. And I have saved this for last because of what I just said, right? Now, on the daily time frame, I do see a cup and handle pattern, which, like I said, is a generally bullish pattern. Measure move, if I want to include this wick here, all the way down to the bottom of the pattern here, I will get a measure move of about $190, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Now, measure moves are theoretical moves only. The actual move could be more or less. That's basically what I'm looking at for Axie Infinity. Price action has just bounced back up from the daily 21 MA, touching this neckline of this cup and handle pattern now here at about $145, right? Let's move over to the 3-day, the weekly. The weekly, we don't even have a moving average here yet. So I'm looking at the daily mainly right now because the daily 21 MA is right underneath the price action here, right? And I don't think the price action should break back below the daily 21 MA here. If it does, it should invalidate this cup and handle pattern. Then I could be potentially be looking at something else. So if price action does break the daily 21 SMA here, the next level of key support I'll be looking at could be about where price action has previously gotten support, maybe at about the 115 level. Some support at 100. That's basically where the daily 50 SMA is right now. So that's what I'm looking at for Axie Infinity. Now, this concludes my very short update on the crypto markets. I will be doing a few more posts today, so stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next post.